Hello, testing. Are we inside? Are we here? Is everyone here? I have been gone for a minute, accidentally. Hair is very much all over the place, do not mind that. Hello, my darlings. We're back. Today we are back with a Missguided spring haul. Relatively large, there's a lot in this one. A lot of jeans, but me move. Today's video is in fact sponsored by Missguided. Shout out to Missguided for sponsoring this video. You guys absolutely love the Missguided hauls. You love them, so of course I'm gonna keep doing them. And as usual, I'll have the try on portion here or here. Also, I'm using a new camera, guys. Anyway, weekly vlogs soon come back, or I'll explain why I've been gone for so long. But new camera today, new vibe. Let me know what you think of the quality. I might flip this to 4K. Why is that car doing that? I'm not sure why that's doing that. Let's try and fix that. Nope, no fixing, but it's okay. I'm gonna see if I can flip this quality to 4K so you're getting it live on. Okay, first thing we've got, as I said, we do have a lot of jeans. I got them in various sizes. For the most part, I got the jean sizes right, but there are some of these, or maybe one that I was like, oh, don't know why I got this size, but these are cute. These are probably one of my favorite pairs from the haul, and they've got a frayed edge. I will insert the clip of me trying it on right here. They've got like a frayed bottom. Very, very cute. Super wide leg. These I would wear with heels or sandals. I got these in a 6 because they're very oversized. You just have to account for the extra space of them being baggy and being wide legged. But I really like this. I like they've got like a brown or tan Missguided label on the back. Pocket detailing that's a bit different. It's like almost combat-y, but obviously it's denim. But it's got that combat detailing. Very much my vibe. A relaxed fit. Relaxed fit, super oversized. I feel like this is very, very trendy at the moment, kind of like the wide leg trousers. These are perfect. I would wear them with a top like this because I've got all the drama in the top, and then in the bottom I've just got loose vibes. So that's those, and as I said, I've got these in a 6, so I would definitely say size down, at least one size, just to account for the oversized nature of them being baggy jeans, of course. These, I like these, but I just wish they were, so they're kind of like, what are these? Are they skinny jeans? Okay, these I've got in a UK 8. They give me skinny jean energy, but I don't know that they're supposed to be skinny jeans. I like the rips, I just wish they were a bit more loose. But this would be very, very cute for more of like a brunch vibe. I would even maybe roll up the ends, because the ends are just like normal jean ends, but definitely roll up the ends. I love the exaggerated rip in the thigh leg area. I think that's definitely a big vibe. But as I said, I feel like they should be looser or skinny jeans. They're kind of a weird in-between they're a weird in-between of skinny jeans and a looser fit jean. But I like the color of the denim. It's like a true denim. Not too light, not too dark, just denim. Goes really well. This kind of coloring goes really well with white tops. I love these. These are, I got them in a 8. I love these. My only issue is these are the tall versions. So they are so long on me, but I really like the frayed detailing throughout the jean, throughout the pockets. It's like the patchwork. It's frayed, but it's also patchwork. The mixture of different denim colors, I think is so cool and a little bit different. Like literally just in this frame, you've got 3 different denims. Definitely more of like a edgy. I feel like really cool and trendy when I wear these. The only thing is, I feel like I might have to fray the bottoms or cut the bottoms myself because they are entirely too long. I ended up cuffing them, but as I said, they are from the tall section. Maybe I skipped on that one, I didn't realize, but they are super cool. And I think that again, most jeans, like blue jeans and white tops, is fail safe. Like it's gonna work, it's gonna be a hit. Maybe I'll look to see if I can get them in the normal section, but I do love the mix of different denims. I think that's super cool. You know, I said there's one I got too big. I don't know why I got these in a 10. I don't know what I was thinking when I put these in a 10. These are actually really, really cute. I just wish I got them in an 8. I don't know why I sized up. Not sure what was going through my mind, but these are super flattering. It's that flare. I feel like flare jeans are so in at the moment. It's crazy how trends coming in and out. Not only is it flared, it's got the ripped element. I like the ripped element. I think it adds something a little bit different to just like a jean. Do you know what I mean? Just like the rips give the jeans character. Am I right? Does it not give it character? Look. Yeah, it gives it character. These actually fit surprisingly quite nicely around the waist, considering that they are too big. I think I'm gonna go back and get these in an 8 because I really, really like the style. Flares I would typically just wear with flats, light denim wash, not too light, but like, again, with a white tee, white crop. This is my favorite pair of jeans that I got from this haul. These white jeans, right, when I first put them on, I got these in the UK 10, and when I first put them on, I thought, oh, too big. And then I pulled them down to my waist and I was like, yeah, perfect. Like, it's really slapping. Again with the combat, so these are the white version of the blue jeans. So they've got, you know, the ones that I said they had the combat detailing. You can't really see it because of the white color. If I can get it, oh, there we go. It's got the combat detailing, so it's literally those blue jeans that I showed you, but in a white version. To wear on the waist, I love the way this looks. All white outfit with sandals. I'd probably wear platform sandals because they are super wide and super flared and super long. So I wouldn't want them like dragging on the edge, but I love the frayed ends. So cute, so pretty. Cute for a shopping day out with your friends. Just a nice little vibe, to be honest, and quite different. I don't know that I've seen like jeans. I've seen like trousers like this, but I don't know that I've seen jeans like this. And also very comfortable. Now moving on to I got two tops. Oh, I got these as a set. So these like toweling shorts, I got them as a set. So they come in a bralette and they also come with the t-shirts. The shorts, you can get the bralette and you can get the t-shirt. I did pick up all three, so like the bralette, the shorts and the tee, but I think I really like the shorts. The shorts are definitely a big 5 for me, so I got them in the navy and the nude. I believe those are the only colours it comes in. The bralette for me didn't really hold, and I need like structure, so that's why I'm just showing you the shorts. If you like sets, then obviously feel free. But how cute are these? I really like the colour of the nude. I think these are such a cute just throw on go piece, especially in the summer where you don't necessarily want to think about your outfit. And it's got a drawstring, which means obviously you can adjust the waist. I got them in a UK 8, so they're not loose fitting around the thigh, they just fit normally. But if you prefer a looser fit, then go ahead and size up, and you can obviously use the toggles on the waist to tighten it along the waist. Side note, I really hate when shorts don't have toggles, because what if I want to tighten it? Annoying. But yeah, these are so cute, very, very comfortable, relatively soft actually. And of course I got the navy. It's looking a bit darker on camera. How did they call it? They called it a navy or they call it blue? Neither, but yeah, just like navy color. As I said, they do come in sets, but I have decided to keep the shorts. I will link the bralette and the t-shirt down below, but the shorts really grab my attention because they're just easy, simple, throw them on and be on your way. While we're still on sets, I also got this navy, like this deep navy blue set. So cute. I ended up folding the waistband just like that in the cutout, just to give me a little bit more tightness around the waist. But I got this in a UK 6. I sized down. I'd even say you'd be able to size down too, because I think I definitely could have got away with wearing this in a UK 4. I also got the top in obviously it's a set, so I got them both in a 6. I love rib material. Ribbed is so flattering. You can never go wrong with a rib material, but I would probably say I would size down again. So I'd probably get this in a UK 4 actually. But again, just another simple one just to throw on. You can wear it with an oversized white shirt. You can just wear it with cute little trainers. You can style it however you want. You can, I just know that you could wear it with heels actually. I think it's maybe a bit too casual for brunch, but definitely on like a shopping vibe, on like a, pop into the park, or go for a walk. Very, very cute. The closer I come, oh no, this is, it looks a bit lighter, but yeah, it's a cute little set. You can tell I'm definitely in my frayed bag. I love an oversized tee. This one has the frayed element all over, again with the patchwork, but this time with different nudes. This is giving me very much summer vibes, but with the color palette of the autumn that we just had, with the nudes and the beiges. Obviously I'll leave the cutout so you can see what it's like on, but I'm gonna put on now as well because it's cute. This is what it looks like how nice, how cute. Such a vibe, such a vibe. And I love these oversized shirts because they're just so easy to put on top of anything. Like if you had an all white outfit, boom, put this over top. If you had like shorts and a crop top, boom, put this over top. If you know that it's hot, but there's a potential that it might get a little cooler later in the day, boom, put this over top, or carry it with you, or tie it around your waist, and then you know you're good for when the temperature drops a little bit in the evening. Very versatile, and you can also wear it as a dress. I probably wouldn't, but you can also wear it as a dress. Then the last piece, I don't actually think I tried this one on, but it's this milkmaid top. This is definitely brunch vibes. Definitely big brunch vibes. It's a corset detailing in the body, so you know it's gonna flatter you. I got it in a UK 6. And obviously we've got the puff sleeves, which you can obviously wear on top or you can wear it out. And then that's what the sleeves look like. I like, in the summer, white is, you can't go wrong with white. Something about white on black skin just hits, like all the time. Like it's always a hit. These with like jeans or shorts or a skirt. So many ways to wear this. So pretty, and also the corset detailing just gives you so much like, I love UK 6. Okay, that is everything I picked up in today's haul. I really hope you guys loved this video. Please let me know your thoughts in this comment section down below. I'll leave all the items linked. I believe I have a code. If I have a code, I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll also leave it in the description bar so you can save some money. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.